This video shows how to configure a self-organizing network using Reyee app. Before you begin, ensure that all devices are properly connected and powered on. Once all devices are powered on, wait for 3 minutes. During this period, the devices will automatically form a self-organizing network and broadcast a Wi-Fi signal with an SSID starting with @Ruijie. Open Reyee app and register an account or log in if you already haven't. Verify that the egress gateway is connected to the internet. Then, tap the Add icon to add a project. Click Yes, connect to Wi-Fi to access the project creation page. Click Start to start project configuration. Click Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Verify that the displayed network topology matches the actual project setup before proceeding. Then, click Start Config. Enter the project name and the management password. Select the project scenario, and click Next. Configure the internet connection settings, and click Next. Set the country/region code, Wi-Fi name, encryption mode, encryption type, and Wi-Fi password, and click Save to apply the settings. Once the setup is complete, connect to the SSID to access the internet. Click Connect to the configured Wi-Fi network. After returning to the Reyee app, you will notice that the project has been added successfully. When the wireless client can access the internet normally, the basic network configuration is complete. Click Next to go to the project page. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.